So guys, today I'm going to do stack 3, that's mean level 4, how to complete that stack 3 in Protostar. So let's start how to do it. So guys, this is the source code, that is stack 3. So guys, in stack 3, so stack 3 also combined with that previous challenge. So we need to find the address of where the win function is located in the program. So guys, this is the win function, so we need to find this win function. So let's see how to do it. So guys, we need to use obj dump to find this win function. So type obj dump space, press enter. Then we can find what are the help command. These are the command I'm going to use as dash simple d disassembler. So obj dump object dump dash d and stack 3, press enter. So in here include that win function. So after find that win function, guys, you need to do using that win function is located that address. So we need to find that memory address. So that win function located memory address is 0x08048 and 42 and 4. Now we can jump into that address. So we need to override it with that memory value of win function. So we need to use this command to that perl -e and print a x 64 dot, we need to give values 24 and x 84 and x 04 and x 08. Okay, now I'm going to run this stack 3. Let's see. Yes, calling function pointer jump to that address and code flow successfully change. So this is the message we need to get, that calling function pointer jump into that address. You can see this is the address. So guys, this is how to complete stack 3 using object dump, using obj dump. So guys, I hope this video is very useful. So please subscribe my channel, comment and share. So guys, thank you guys watching this video.